Okay, it's Sunday night. The lake is noisy. I'm standing by a crack here, and I'm just gonna set the phone on the ice, and hopefully you can hear it. Okay. Just picking up the phone. So if you stuck with me for this long, you need to have earbuds in or headphones that are of decent quality so you can hear that low frequency that sounds almost like thunder. And just before I started recording, water actually shot up out of this crack here. And you can hear dogs. I don't know if you can hear dogs or not, but I know I can hear with my natural ear. Standing right here, I can hear dogs across the lake barking when the sound of the ice passes where they are. It sounds a lot like rolling thunder in the distance. And it kind of goes from one end of the lake down along the shore to the other end, then kind of comes back and... Oh, here comes some more. I'm wondering if we're going to get another shot of water up this crack here. Down the crack a ways. Oh yeah, here, I'm going to set the phone down. Listen to this. Alright, obviously I picked up the phone again. Oh, yeah, it's just moved right in front of me again. I'm really curious. Oh, I should have left it down. You can actually see the water moving in that crack. Based on the sound that you can hear on the lake, it actually jiggles the water in the crack there. So we're in Ontario, Canada, on Lake Scugog. And all night tonight, you'll be able to hear this lake make these noises. So if you live in Toronto and you've never heard these noises, come out to Port Perry. You can stand on the pier. Port Perry's kind of loud. If you go to the little town of Caesarea, there's a pier there. Don't get off the pier because the ice around the immediate pier is kind of bad. People have gone through and died in the winter there. But on a night like tonight, it sounds like rolling thunder all night long on the lake. Like, people go and see fireworks. People go and see meteor showers. If you've never heard this, come to Lake Scugog, park at Caesarea, sit on the pier, and just listen. It's incredible. Oh wow, listen to that. Like I say, I don't know if you can actually hear this or not. I really hope you can. A few minutes ago, I could hear a coyote behind me howling, and there's a little trickle of water behind me from a culvert that's emptying a ditch. But it's like rolling thunder all night long. And like if the temperatures snap down to like negative 15, and I think it's going to do that next weekend, on that nice cold night, if there's no wind, there's a coyote. You can stand near the shore and listen to this all night long. It's super cool. It's so cool. Like you will, when two more coyotes, when two pieces of ice come together, it'll actually sound like a fish is jumping, or like this crack goes along the shore here, and the whole cracks come together and literally will shoot a whole line of water up in the air. Oh, it just moved again. Okay, you can actually see it moving right now. Wow, listen to it, eh? So, yeah, to hear it, you'd actually have to turn up your volume, probably to max. And you definitely want good quality earbuds that'll have those low frequencies in it. Like, it's loud enough right now that I'm enjoying it, but like there are nights where it's so loud that it like shakes the house and wakes you up at night, and you kind of wonder what just happened, but it's literally just the ice. Super awesome. Oh, it's moving. It almost feels like tectonic forces, right? Like where the different sheets of ice that are broken up by different cracks, like this one here, are tectonic plates. You can think of the water as like magma. It sounds silly, but actually it's a good analogy. And the ice is sitting on top of the liquid here. Oh, it just made a crinkly sound. I bet that's my foot right now, but well, here, I set the phone down. Listen. Here it comes. Can you hear that? Alright, enough of that. We're already 17 minutes in. You know what I should do is I probably should grab an ice auger here, drill a hole through the ice, and hang a GoPro below the ice, right? Water is more dense than air, and you'll be able to hear the cracks and the noise a lot more vividly and clear with a camera and a microphone immersed in the water. Although solid, ice being solid, if I could somehow embed the camera in the ice, that would be even better. But I can't foresee that happening. All right, well, some stars are out. I'm going to call it a night. If you've stuck with me this long, I hope you heard what I'm trying to capture here. And if you haven't, I do apologize. Oh, there's a big one. You can actually hear water gushing along one crack out there as it was coming. All right, off to do the camera and water trick. Have a great night.